Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this organic synthesis. First of all, I have to clarify what I am going to do. So I want to make a Grignard reagent and I have deuterium with ethyl group with this benzene. So first of all, my first reaction should be making bromobenzene or chlorobenzene. So I'm going to create bromobenzene. For making bromobenzene I can use liquid Br2 with iron powder. This gives us bromobenzene. We know that bromobenzene is a weak orthopara director. So the second electrophile will be substituted to one ortho or para place. We know this ortho, this is para place. So in this reaction I have in this organic synthesis I want to substitute a ethyl group for para position. So I have to use CH3CH2Cl with anhydrous aluminium chloride, and this reaction will provide this organic compound with this ethyl group. In my third reaction I have to convert this bromine into Grignard reagent. So I have to use magnesium with dry ether, and this step will give this organic compound MgBr, benzene, and this ethyl group. In my final step I want to convert this MgBr Grignard group into deuterium. For that purpose I can use DCl, dilute DClO D2O.